The Nook, designed by Isaac French. Created as a versatile space, the Nook serves as an art studio, office, and guest quarters. Its minimalist and elegant design focuses on functionality without sacrificing aesthetics, making it an ideal choice for anyone seeking a compact living space that connects deeply with nature. The Nook showcases simplicity beautifully intertwined with natural elements. The exterior is clad in charred cedar, a traditional Japanese technique known as shosugiban. This not only provides a rustic look but also enhances durability against weather. Upon entering, the interior is enveloped in warm white oak, offering a welcoming and cozy atmosphere. The combination of materials successfully balances modern and natural elements. The Nook is nestled among towering trees in the forest behind Isaac French's home in Waco, Texas. Surrounded by nature, it offers a peaceful, serene setting far removed from the hustle and bustle of city life. One of the most striking features is the floating wood deck that extends over the edge of a nearby creek. This cantilever design not only enhances the aesthetics but also strengthens the connection between the interior space and the outdoors, providing an ideal spot for relaxation, work, or creative inspiration. Additionally, the use of locally sourced Texas limestone adds a regional touch, with its natural texture and color enriching the home's connection to its environment. Large glass windows flood the space with natural light, creating a bright, open, and calming atmosphere, while offering stunning views of the surrounding forest. Beyond its captivating design, the Nook is also crafted with flexibility and functionality in mind. Its multifunctional space can be used as a personal office, art studio, or even guest accommodation. Every detail has been optimized to meet the user's needs, from its open layout to its well-considered lighting and ventilation. Though it's only 568 square feet, the space feels spacious and comfortable thanks to its efficient layout and thoughtful design. One of the Nook's key strengths is its mobility. Isaac French designed the unit to be easily relocated if needed, making it an ideal solution for those seeking flexible living arrangements. Moreover, French has had the construction plans professionally drafted, allowing anyone to build their own version of the Nook tailored to their preferences and needs. This project highlights how architecture can serve a purpose beyond aesthetics. By combining local materials, efficient design, and a strong connection to the natural environment, the Nook is a perfect example of how small spaces can make a big impact. Whether used as a workspace, a creative studio, or a temporary living space, the Nook offers a modern, flexible, and environmentally friendly housing solution. In conclusion, the Nook is more than just an ordinary modular building. It's a manifestation of forward-thinking design, where the beauty of nature meets technology and architectural innovation. Through smart material choices and efficient use of space, Isaac French has created a space that can inspire many. For those looking for design ideas for small, flexible, functional living spaces that connect with nature, The Nook serves as the perfect source of inspiration.